What's up, YouTube? It's Ben again, and today I got a new unboxing for you guys, and it is my new pair of Balenciaga Graffiti Runner. And I'm a normal size 43 in Balenciaga Triple S and Speed Trainer, but I go down like 2 sizes, which is a 41 on the Graffiti Runner. So this is how the shoe looks. So I bought this in a Balenciaga retail store in Boston. This is my receipt. And yeah, it comes with a black string bag with a Balenciaga logo, and then nothing on the back, just a black drawstring as well. It's a pretty huge string bag. Overall, I remember when I bought the Balenciaga Triple S and Speed Trainer, the string bag was actually very different. And then let's unbox the shoes. Box away. And here you go, guys. This is the Balenciaga Graffiti Runner. It's supposed to come out this season, so I tried on the right one along with the cargo sneakers and the 10XL, and I feel like I love the cargo sneakers and the runners a lot, but this one is more practical in terms of everyday wear, and it's more comfy. So the upper is made of mesh materials with the Graffiti Balenciaga logo on the outside, and the double B, which is a Balenciaga like signature logo on the inside. And it creates a very deconstructed like models for the sneakers, which is all deconstructed, all getting like dirtied and ripped off on purpose. And the sneakers themselves are very heavy on hand, but on feet they're very light. I mean, it's not really light, but it's very comfy. Sorry about that. And on the heel they have the pull tab for us, so it can help us easier to wear it, as the runner logo on the outside, on the midsole, and Balenciaga bubbles on the midsole as well. And on the front they got the 41, which is my size, and then everything is just mesh, and it's like a typical running shoes, but more high-end, I guess. Yeah, and deconstructed style. I love the sneakers because they're very comfy, and I really like graffiti, so I like how they are designed, and with comfort, and also with a great graffiti's design and deconstructed style. Very messy, and also very dirty, as well as very ripped everywhere. On feet is actually amazing in terms of comfort, and I really do recommend these. And I would recommend going down 2 sizes for your, compared to like the Triple S or the Speed Trainer. And yeah, and basically I got this for my birthday. My parents just gave me this pair as a gift, and I love them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this, and always supporting my channel. Don't forget to like this videos, and leave a like down below, and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you guys. Peace.